Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We are delighted to acquire this beautiful Mazda MX-5 2-litre 184 PS GT Sport Nav Plus MX-5 RF, finished in machine grey, registered 3rd of September 18, 2 owners from new, just done a shade over 26,000 miles, and really great condition. Machine grey is the ever popular colour for one of these. Beautiful car in great condition. Comes with keyless entry, multi-spoke alloy wheels, black rear spoiler. This particular one has a reverse camera down there, rear parking sensors. Great specification with this car. Interior boot is really clean. All this car's had is a wash. It hasn't been valeted yet. It will be going through our, in fact I think it's been through our workshop. It's undergone a 101 point used car check where we check everything. Condition of the battery, the vehicle's electrical systems, the brake pads, brake disc wear, wipers, everything. This will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty, including 12 months roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons will take any car in part exchange against this wonderful RF GT Sport Nav Plus. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies, those that advertise on national television, that wish to buy your car, your part exchange. We will be as competitive as they are, whilst offering outstanding levels of customer service. Really nice specification with this vehicle and in beautiful condition. Unmarked scuff plate there on the driver's side, comes with the mats. You've got this beautiful brown Nappa leather interior, which comes with integrated headrest speakers and sound by BOSE. This Nappa leather extends over to the door cards. You've got electric windows, electric door mirrors, and sitting inside the car, first array of switches, we come to a Mazda stop-start I-stop technology, lane departure warning system and traction control. Shut the door, brought the keys in with me. It's just in really beautiful condition. Dip the clutch, engine stop-start button, engine bursts into life. Great spec with these. On the left hand side here you've got temperature gauge, you have a fuel gauge, traffic sign recognition. You also have, let me just turn off that, take that off, a range indicator telling us how much fuel we've got left in the tank. Centre here is tachometer, rev counter, and the little window in the bottom right hand side is a sort of gear indicator. Right hand side here, speedometer, very straightforward. Multi-function steering wheel. Just going to turn on the air conditioning, it's a little bit hot in here. Multi-function steering wheel. Left hand side here you have info button, which changes elements of this display here. So if I press this info button, you can see average MPG 42.3, 41.4, it depends on what trip meter you're looking at, but you can reset it all just by keeping your finger on this button here. Takes it all back to 0. 26,284 miles, outside temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Right hand side here is cruise control. Beyond that you've got auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and on the left hand side here, indicators, side lights, rear fog lamp, auto lights, all concentrated on one stalk. Down here, and I'll just remove that key, you've got automatic climate control in its basic and most effective form. So you've got the temperature there, you switch everything to automatic, it will direct the air and adjust the fan speed according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Couldn't be easier. Reset button, heated rear window. If you want to come off auto and operate it as a straightforward air conditioning system, just come off auto on the fan speed and the directional control, and that's a nice setting. Demisting on your feet. Electric roof switch, heated seats, passenger and driver, and you've got twin USB socketry. Plug the phone in on the top USB socketry with the phone symbol. This car features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so really high spec with this vehicle. The essential or rather nice, desirable accessories to have are the reverse camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got this main navigation screen here. I'm just going to take it off side lights, give us a brighter display. But main navigation wheel, so I'm operating that through the main navigation wheel. That's surrounded by main master volume control, setting up favorites, which is a star button. You can set up favorites through phone book, radio stations, sat nav destinations, etc. Back button, nav button, home screen, music, master navigation wheel. So there we are. We don't have the phone connected to it at the moment, so it's coming up with no phone connected. Back button here, music, you got FM and you got DAB. And if you want to update all your lists here, etc., of the main DAB system, that's what you do, and you toggle down to whatever station you want to listen to. LBC, this vehicle here, something soothing, Radio 4, it's all there, very straightforward. Home screen, applications, fuel economy monitor. There features Mazda's IE loop system, regenerative system, which captures all your negative, all your kinetic energy rather, which is captured in an integrated storage generator, and it helps power the vehicle's electrical system. Stop start iStop technology too. Home screen, warnings, nothing. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as I've said earlier. Satellite navigation, this is Mazda's own system, highly effective and really good sat nav system. Import, you find your address, town or postcode, places, etc. If we go over to this, if you want to look at the categories, you can, if you want to find, say, a fuel station close by, search, comes up with a range of options, highlight which one you want to go to, away you go. It'll take you to the fuel, or assist you in getting to the fuel station. But a really good sat nav program here, loaded with points of interest categories. You can find your address, town or postcode, set up favorites, home, etc. Music, main screen here, settings for the vehicle. Display we're looking at, you can adjust it between auto, day and night modes, brightness, contrast, safety. It's loaded with safety features, smart city brake support, radar brake support. You can adjust all the warning parameters of that. You got stuff like blind spot monitoring, which are the icons in your exterior mirrors that warn you of somebody in your blind spot. Particularly useful on this type of vehicle because you sit quite low down. Lane departure warning system, ensures that you stay in the correct lane. It warns you if you drift out of the correct lane. You can adjust the warning parameters of that as well. Traffic sign recognition, driver attention alert, comes up with a notification on the main dashboard that you know you need to take a break or a rest after driving a distance. I used to think it was a gimmick, but in fact it's a really good system. It's unobtrusive, but it lets you know, it makes you aware that you know, you should think about taking a break. So really good safety features, blind spot monitoring, lane departure, driver attention alert, and traffic sign recognition. Fantastic. BOSE sound, bass, treble, fader, balance, guidance, volume for the navigation. BOSE audio pilot will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. This BOSE system is fantastic. You've got little tweeters here, if you can see that in the windscreen pillars. Really gives you an accentuation of brilliant sound quality. Clock 12 or 24 hours. Vehicle itself, you can adjust things like door locks, whether you choose to have walk-away locking. That's when you take the keys away with you in your pocket. It will lock the car automatically. You can adjust the volume of the indicators. Lighting, it's really got adaptive LED headlights. You can adjust your interior lights, door open, door closed, lights on, warning, volume, coming home light, leaving home light, the sensitivity of your headlights on, auto headlights rather. Devices, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And this year, I'm sure Apple CarPlay was not standard on 1868. This is a really high spec car. You've got it on here. Plug your phone in with the USB into the desired port, and you'll get majority of your icons on the phone on the central screen. That means you'll be able to interact with WhatsApp messaging. You'll be able to interact with Google Maps, Waze navigation, and another, if you've downloaded that, a really good sat-nav program that warns you of potholes in the road, stop vehicles, will take you to where you want to go in the quickest way possible, and warns you of speed cameras. Really easy to operate. System, you can change whether you read temperature, Celsius or Fahrenheit, distance, miles or kilometers. Home screen, this wonderful 6-speed manual gearbox here, which is beautiful to drive this car. Very short throws between the very precise and smooth shifting gearbox. If I go into reverse, you got your reverse camera there with parking sensors. Needs a bit of clean, but it's there, and it's a highly desirable option. If I want to bring the roof down, this is really a beautiful piece of engineering. Press this button here. So let's show you. Look at that. Even the hook comes out of the retainer electrically. This goes back automatically, folds away. Beautiful car, this. And it's in its most powerful derivative here, 184 PS. So this vehicle with its roof down looks like this. Absolutely fantastic, beautiful to look at car, lovely shape, but it's a fantastic car to drive. Little wonder it's the world's best-selling roadster. It just drives superbly. Rear-wheel drive, inline engine in the traditional sense of the word. A wonderful car, this. Ideal for all year round motoring because of course you've got the electric roof system. If you want to find out more about this wonderful GT Sport Nav 2 litre 184 PS fitted with reverse camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and having completed just over 26,000 miles, been through the workshop, been serviced, 101 checked in accordance with manufacturer recommendations. If you want to find out more about this wonderful car, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.